Some rabble rousers thinking about coming to our city tomorrow. Our message is clear and simple. Control yourselves. New York City is our home, not a playground for your misplaced anger. We are the safest large city in America because we respect the rule of law in New York City. And although we have no specific threats, people like Marjorie Taylor Greene, who is known to spread misinformation and hate speech, she stated she's coming to town. While you're in town, be on your best behavior.
This is Infrared, and we're at Brooklyn Bridge City Hall for the You Don't Have to Be. It's Tuesday, it's Monday, April 3rd. It's 7:55 p.m. And if you've seen some of our recently posted videos, you know that this station is the closest station to Foley Square. And since it's almost 8 p.m. on Monday night, April 3rd, the night before Donald Trump is due to be arraigned at the office of the New York County District Attorney and the New York County Criminal Court, well, we don't have a precise time for when this is going to happen. I've read 11 a.m. I've read, quote, the early afternoon, unquote. So, with maybe 15 hours to go, let's see if there's any press coverage. Like we can exit. That's a good sign. Okay. So I don't know how easy it is to see because it's dark. But this is parkland, not parking land. Hey, what do you call this? Parking town? So, press is here, or press are here. You be the judge. Right. And we're going to keep walking north on Center Street. This is the courthouse, I think. But last time I checked, and the last time I checked was more than 10 years ago, this building also has some courtrooms for criminal court for New York County. Now the plan for tomorrow, for Tuesday, April 4th, is, well, among the plans for Tuesday, April 4th, are a rally being held by Marjorie Taylor Greene and colleagues, and I did actually see an invitation someone forwarded to me. The rally is being held in Collect Pond Park, which is where we're headed next. Because, as you may have seen on an earlier video, and as you'll see on our April 4th video, Collect Pond Park faces Hogan Place, which is the location of the headquarters of the district attorney. So, the last couple times we were in Collect Pond Park over the last 3 days, it was filled with press. Tomorrow, it will be filled with more press and those who are attending the rally. And then this is Hogan Place. That, with those brighter lights in the distance, is the headquarters of the district attorney. Okay. Press? Maybe a little. Maybe a little. Thanks. And what is this? Are these just... Oh, they're press, but they must be written press. So just a few members of the press.
Well, you need that.
And here, although, okay, I guess maybe the lighting's all right. Well, you can see the press tents in the distance. And here is Collect Pond Park, where we should see at least as much press and rally attendees.
What we can expect to see in the New York courtroom tomorrow. We're live in Manhattan with the latest.
And we're live in Manhattan with the latest. Well, actually, we're recorded in Manhattan. By the way, I don't think he was actually live either, because he stopped and then restarted his narration. Again, you be the judge. Reporting from Collect Pond Park, this is Infrared, and this is what you've been watching.